Today unboxing is Tomica latest release for the month of Feb. We have the Mazda CX5 River petrol car and also the latest 2021 Honda Civic Type R in regular and first color release. Just like the real Type R, the 2021 model is about 95% similar to the one that was released in 2018 with only a very minor update. And before we dive into the Type R, let's take a closer look at the Mazda CX5 River petrol car. Standard red box design with a new 2021 decal in 50th anniversary theme. What's distinctive is the raised LED panel with a siren to make it more obvious and stands out among the traffic. As always, fantastic paint job from Takara Tomy. Sharp Mazda badge against the coarse grille. Shame that the headlights are painted. Markings for the River petrol in Japanese. Standard button wheel sets with suspension with no opening features. Highlight is definitely on the raised LED panel. The siren is basic, just like you'll see in all the Tomica red box model. And behind you have the LED panel that's indicating in operation, which I now remember is similar to the one that was released in 2018 with a Japanese police theme. I myself haven't come across this variant of siren when I was in Japan. With the inclusion of the siren, the CX5 is definitely one of the most interesting casting to be added into my collection. Next, the 2021 Honda Civic Type R in 1:64 scale, standard box design with the new 2021 decal. The regular color Honda Civic Type R FK8 is about 95% identical to the one that was released in 2018. Both are in white. The only difference for the 2021 model is the LED section that's included in the front and the back vents. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Racing wheels with standard suspension without any opening features. I wonder why Takara Tomy will want to release the 2021 Type R. You can see some imperfection of the white paint on the spoiler, which is disappointing. And when compared with the 2018, everything is the same except for the vents on the front bumper and also on the rear. Body color has variation as well, with the latest Type R in off-white and the previous version in flat white. Both Type R even share an identical plastic base. Next, the 2021 Type R in first color release. Exactly the same casting as the regular version. The roof and the hood scoop are painted in black. Paint quality can definitely be better, although there's a 95% similarities. Both Type R comes in different mold. Because of the inclusion of the LED section on the front and rear vents, the mold are different from the 2018 version. So this is a totally new mold with a minor update for the exterior. Apart from the difference in body color and the LED section, everything is totally identical. The choice of body color for the first color is dynamic. There are many other notable castings that can be released by Takara Tomy, but they chose the Type R instead. Is the latest Civic Type R overrated? Do let me know your comments below. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!